Hi, we are looking at room 124 at the Fairfield by Marriott in Anaheim. This is a ground floor room. As we enter, it smells very nice, and it's called the 2-queen bed guest room. When we come in through the front door, it has a magnetic do not disturb sign, which you can place on the front of your door. And it's also got the lockable latch plus the safety latch, which is excellent. So we've got the windows facing out to the front of the room. It has an individual air conditioner for each room, which is really handy. So you've got your own separate unit. Over here we have a framed fireworks picture that looks very nice of the park. Then we've got a fold out sofa bed, so that there you could use for a child. The 2 queen beds are very comfortable, lots of pillows. Then over here in between the 2 beds, you've got a nice middle lamp on the bedside table. As you come over, you can also see that there is an alarm clock as well as a telephone. Our room attendant is Adriana. So there's another artwork over here on the wall. Also a very nice piece there. You've also got a TV in the room, which obviously has the remote there in front of it. Next to that, you've got the study table with the lamp, and then you've got that beautiful mirror above the table. Okay, so you have the toilet here in the bathroom. It is a tight bathroom. You've got the towel and the towel rack above the toilet, which is a little bit peculiar, but there is 2 toilet paper holders. You've got your bath, and above that you then have your ledge here for your soaps and shampoo and conditioners. So in the bathroom, you will have a shower bath combo. We did find that a lot of water got on the floor and there was no drain to get rid of that water. All right, the basin, you've got your soaps, your shampoos and your conditioners. As we turn around, we've got the little coffee table area. It comes with a Keurig coffee machine, a little ice bucket. We've got some disposable cups and a selection of coffees that you can use. Up here we've got the spare pillow, clothes hangers, you've got your ironing board, as well as a luggage rack, which is always handy. You will also find in the room a mini fridge. This was really clean and we had no issues with fitting our stuff in that little mini fridge. Coming back out into this main area, it's a nice room, it's clean, it's got the wooden style flooring, and it is very, very close to Disneyland. So I would recommend.